This video is sponsored by JJ Drones, the droning veteran, and Chillin' in Indiana Carl. Welcome back to Off the Hook Outdoors. I am Ted, your host, and today we are on Jensen Beach. Another surf lesson, guys. So we got the kids out here. We're gonna come down and look at this beautiful beach, the blue water. A little overcast today, but we are going to let the kids do their surf lessons, and then we're probably gonna do some other things and then go eat. So stay tuned. Okay, they're getting their lessons. Alright, so the water temperature is like 77 degrees here. It's like what, 65 degrees outside. You can see them right there learning how to surf, so that's cool. So we're just watching them have fun. Alright.
Pretty good.
Well, how's the water?
It's really warm.
The sun's out.
Want to go picture of water?
What you think? Pretty good? How's the water? Good? Alright guys, well the kids had their surf lessons now. They're out swimming in the ocean. And we're going to sit back and relax and watch them have fun. And then we're probably going to go grab something to eat. So stay with us. We'll show you the restaurant. I don't know where we're going yet. So be right back. Okay, so we're at Conchi Joe's and we are eating seafood. We got the raw bar here. Very cool. And we're going back. Let's get seated and eat. Stay with us. We got shrimp.
Pound of shrimp.
Shrimp. We got a shrimp stack as tortilla chips with all these little mini shrimps here. And what do you think, Carly? Ready?
Yeah.
Dig in. Okay, guys, I got the shrimp risotto. Sue got the, what did you get, shrimp tacos?
Fish tacos.
Fish tacos. Carly got clams. And what is that called?
I don't know, some kind of feast.
Some kind of seafood feast. Theo?
Shrimp and crab.
Shrimp and crab. All right, guys, we're going to dig in.
Yeah.
All right, Theo, what do we get?
We got pineapple cake. Take a picture.
That looks good. And Carly got the molten chocolate lava. You gonna hit it open?
Yeah,
Do it.
I don't think that you really hit it open, but
Cut it open. Is there anything in it? Oh my! It's lava. Pour it out. Let's see it pour out. Oh, look at that.
Oh, it's really hot.
Yeah, it's supposed to be hot. It's molten lava.
Really?
oh, there's ice cream.
All right, I got you. All right, guys. So we just ate at Conchi Joe's. It was great. We had molten lava cake and some pineapple cake. It was pretty good. So we are going. I don't know. They want to go to Publix now. So they always wanted to go to Publix grocery store down here. So we're gonna go do that and then go home. And I am gonna get a shower and I'm gonna go to bed. Stay with us. Alright guys, we are in Publix. Hee. Let's go to Publix. Where you go? Alright everybody, so we are back at the house. We just got back from eating. We were at Conchi Joe's. Great place to go if you're down here in Port St. Lucie. You got to stop over there. I'm getting ready for bed because we got to get up early tomorrow to go snorkeling. We're going to go snorkeling tomorrow, and then we're going to grab something to eat. I believe a tiki taco. And then we're coming back to the house, and we're getting ready because we're going back down to see Small Water Charters, John and Lindia, and we're going to be doing a live crappie fishing live stream tomorrow. So check it out. I'm going to be going live from my channel, and John and Lindia will be going live from their channel. We're going to have myself, John, Lindia, my kids, Carly and Theo, and along with Batty, John's friend. So make sure you guys stop into both of our lives tomorrow. We're going to both be doing it on the same boat. So that's going to be cool. And we're going to be crappie fishing. So make sure you stop in for that. That's going to be December 31st at 5 p.m. We're going to start the lives. So we'll be starting it right when the crappie start hitting, I guess, right at sundown. So make sure you check that out. I wanted to thank all my subscribers for all your comments, all your support. I really do appreciate that. If you're not subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so. And like I always say, take a kid fishing or hunting. We want to preserve that sport and pass it on to future generations. And we will see ya.